Every day, thousands of ships travel between the Indian Ocean and the Pacific. Oil tankers, container ships, and cargo vessels move through a narrow passage in Southeast Asia. This waterway is called the Strait of Malacca. It is one of the busiest shipping routes on Earth, and yet most people have never heard of it. But if this narrow strait were ever blocked, global trade could slow almost overnight. The Strait of Malacca lies between the Malay Peninsula and the Indonesian island of Sumatra. It connects the Indian Ocean with the South China Sea. This narrow corridor forms one of the most important gateways between Asia, the Middle East, and Europe. At its narrowest point, the strait is only a few kilometers wide. Yet through this small passage flows an enormous share of global trade. Each year, tens of thousands of ships pass through the Strait of Malacca. Container vessels carrying manufactured goods from factories across East Asia. Oil tankers transporting energy supplies from the Middle East. Bulk carriers moving coal, iron ore, and other raw materials across continents. In total, more than 90,000 ships are estimated to transit the strait every year. Roughly 1/4 of the world's traded goods travels through this narrow passage. The strait is also one of the most important energy routes on the planet. About 1/3 of global seaborne oil trade passes through these waters. For many countries in East Asia, including China, Japan, and South Korea, this route is the fastest and most efficient connection to global markets. Without the Strait of Malacca, ships would need to travel thousands of kilometers farther around the Indonesian archipelago. That detour would significantly increase travel time, fuel consumption, and shipping costs across the global economy. The strait is especially important for global energy supply. A large portion of the oil consumed in China, Japan, and South Korea passes through this route. Tankers carrying millions of barrels of oil move through the narrow waters every day. For these economies, the Strait of Malacca is not just a trade route, it is an energy lifeline. Despite its global importance, the Strait of Malacca is surprisingly narrow. In some sections, the waterway is only a few kilometers wide. Heavy maritime traffic must carefully navigate these tight waters. Large container ships and oil tankers pass close to one another while following strict navigation rules. Pilots, traffic monitoring systems, and coordinated shipping lanes help maintain order in this crowded corridor. In some areas, the water is also relatively shallow, which increases the risk for large vessels with deep drafts. Strong currents, tropical storms, and dense traffic make navigation even more complex. Every movement must be carefully planned. Even a small accident, a grounded ship, or a collision could slow or disrupt the flow of global trade moving between the Indian Ocean and the Pacific. For centuries, the Strait of Malacca has also been known for piracy. The narrow waters and dense maritime traffic created ideal conditions for criminals. Merchant ships moving slowly through the strait often became easy targets. In earlier centuries, pirate vessels would hide among the many small islands and coastal inlets along the route. They waited for the right moment to approach large cargo ships under cover of darkness. Fast boats could quickly reach a vessel, climb aboard, and disappear before help arrived. In modern times, piracy in the region has taken a different form. Armed groups sometimes attempt to board ships to steal cargo, fuel, or valuable equipment. Some attacks last only minutes before the attackers escape back into the maze of nearby islands. At the beginning of the 2000s, the Strait of Malacca was considered one of the most dangerous piracy hotspots in the world. Dozens of attacks were reported every year as criminal groups targeted passing vessels. Because of the strategic importance of the strait, several countries began coordinating security patrols. Malaysia, Indonesia, Singapore, and Thailand launched joint maritime patrols to protect shipping traffic. These international efforts significantly reduced the number of incidents. Today, piracy is far less common than it once was. But in one of the busiest shipping lanes on Earth, the threat has never completely disappeared. Security remains a constant concern for ships passing through the Strait of Malacca. If the Strait of Malacca were suddenly blocked, the consequences would ripple across the world. Ships would need to reroute thousands of kilometers around Indonesia. Fuel costs would rise. Shipping times would increase, and global supply chains could slow dramatically. There are alternative maritime routes, but they are longer and significantly more expensive. Ships can bypass the Strait of Malacca by sailing south through the Indonesian archipelago, using routes such as the Lombok or Sunda Straits. These passages are wider and deeper, but they add hundreds or even thousands of kilometers to a voyage. For many shipping companies, avoiding the Strait of Malacca would mean longer travel times, higher fuel consumption, and increased operating costs. A journey that normally takes days could suddenly take much longer. In global trade, time and efficiency are critical. Delays affect supply chains, shipping schedules, and delivery times across entire industries. For cargo ships carrying electronics, raw materials, or energy supplies, even small delays can ripple through the global economy. That is why this narrow strait remains one of the most important maritime corridors in the world. Despite its risks and heavy traffic, it continues to serve as the fastest and most efficient connection between the Indian Ocean and the Pacific. The Strait of Malacca demonstrates how geography still shapes the modern world. Despite satellites, aircraft, and digital networks, global trade still depends on physical routes. Ports, canals, and narrow passages connect continents, and sometimes the entire system depends on places only a few kilometers wide. The Strait of Malacca is one of those places, a narrow stretch of water that quietly powers global commerce. Every day, hundreds of ships pass through its waters, carrying energy, raw materials, and manufactured goods between continents. Most people will never see this passage. They may never hear its name. Yet the stability of this narrow strait affects economies across the planet. Factories, supply chains, and entire industries depend on the safe movement of ships through this corridor. In the modern world, global trade often depends on surprisingly small places: a canal carved through desert sand, a narrow strait between distant islands, or a passage only a few kilometers wide connecting two great oceans. Sometimes the most important places in the world are not the largest. They are simply the narrowest. And the Strait of Malacca is one of them.